But why does it halal seems heavier than haram?
Very good question. Why is halal more difficult, more troublesome, and heavier than haram? The Prophet answered this, alayhi salatu wasalam. Again, Muslims, everything Quran, Sunnah, Quran, Sunnah. We don't go out. The Prophet said, alayhi salatu wasalam, paradise is surrounded by hateful things. In order to enter it, you have to enter through things that you hate. Waking up at 4:30 in the morning to pray Fajr, fasting 16 hours for Ramadan, giving money, and I love money, for zakat, doing good for people who you want to beat up, but Allah says forgive, pardon, being truthful and saying the honest things when people expect you to lie, and be diplomatic. Paradise is surrounded by hateful things. Hellfire, the Prophet says, alayhi salatu wasalam, is surrounded by lucrative and deceitful things. You want to go to hell? You have to go to the nightclub. You have to listen to music. You have to love haram. You have to do drugs. You have to go through intoxicants. All of these things we love. I love to have relationships. I love to have girlfriends. I love to sit with women and flirt with them. Yes, this will take you to hell. But when you do the things you hate because Allah orders you, you will go to paradise.